Get your credit back in the groove. Get your credit back in the groove. Get your credit back in the groove. Guide you through the process, no way you can lose. You need the credit.
Hey, this is James. Something that may be able to help you out I want to tell you about, and that's this. You know, you have the 3 major credit bureaus, well, 4 within of us, and most people are familiar with those, right? But there is something where you have 2 types of credit scores. You have a traditional credit score, and you have an alternative credit score. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the difference. Most people, everybody knows about traditional credit scores. That's your FICO score. That's the scores that use your utilization, your debt to income ratio. Those are the credit scores to where it's credit cards, loans, car loan, or auto loan, a mortgage loan, something like that. And where those things are calculated into what's called a traditional credit score. So there is something called an alternative credit score. And in one of the videos prior, we told you a little bit about those data furnishers, okay? Now, those data furnishers, some of them do have scores. So I'll just kind of give you a little rundown on what some of those scores can be. Some of them can be your rental history, your utility history, how you pay your utility bill, or your cell phone payment. These things can be recorded and reported and recorded on your credit report. Did you know that? So now you know your checking account history, how often you move. If you're not a frequent mover, those points can be calculated and added. Your property records, education, whether you're married or single, your marital status, and, these things about you. There's something very important I'll tell you about in the next video that most people don't even know exist. I guarantee you they do not know it exists. I'll share that with you in another video. I keep it, it'll be like a golden nugget today. And so that's one of the things I wanted to tell you about, the difference in the 2 types of credit scores. Everybody knows about the traditional credit scores, but very few people know about the alternative credit scores, like the ones I just shared with you, the way you pay your other bills, right? Did you know that those things can be calculated? Well, now you know. And so I want to thank God for blessing you in your endeavor and getting your credit back on track and back in the groove. And remember, success leaves clues.
Get your credit back in the groove. Get your credit back in the groove. Get your credit back in the groove. Guide you through the process, no way you can lose.